Today we will be performing the experiment to find resistance of a given wire using meter bridge and hence determine the resistivity of its material. And this material is this wire which is made up of constant length. First of all, we will calculate the length of this wire, which is 75 centimeter, and then we will fix it in these two slots. This is the A end and this is the C end. From the A end, we will connect it to the positive end of the battery, and from the negative end, we will connect it to one end of a key, which is a one-way key. And from the second end, we will connect it to the end C of the meter bridge. In this slot, we will fix a known resistance, and from this point, we will fix it to one end of a galvanometer, and from the second end, we will fix it to a jockey. So setup is complete. After setup is complete, we will check whether our setup is correct or incorrect. For that, we will switch on the battery. We will put this jockey on the one end, and we will note the deflection of the galvanometer. It is on the one end, and if we put it on the second end, the deflection should be on the opposite direction. That means the connections are correct. Now we will start the reading. What we will do, we will vary the known resistance, that is this one, and we will calculate the balancing length. That means balancing length means when the galvanometer needle comes at the center. For that, we'll take out a resistance. Here I am taking out a 2 ohm resistance. I'm going to slightly slide it on the wire, and okay. Now this reading here has stopped at 29 centimeter. So L here is 29 centimeter and L2 is 71 centimeter. L1 is 29 and 100 minus L, that is L2, is equals to 71 centimeter. Similarly, we will vary the resistance. First time it is 2 ohm, then we can take out 5 ohm, 10 ohm and so on, and we will find the corresponding balancing lengths. Then we will calculate the diameter of this wire using a screw gauge, and finally we have length of wire, diameter of wire, and the unknown resistance. And from this formula we will calculate the resistivity of the wire. One thing is to be noted that in your file this table is given for the diameter. We don't have to write it, just cross it. You have to write this table, only this table, and directly the diameter of the wire, and then we will calculate the resistivity of the wire, that is in ohm meter.